A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for JAMAICA'S game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About do Mr. Capalat, you don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving you another reaction. And today, guys, we are in part 5. Yes, part 5 of the saga where we see a going from media. Part 5 is the studio heat, street defeat, lyrical clash, animation, and the SpongeBob thing. So we're there for the premiere. Yes, at the premiere. I'm sure no. Yes, we're there for the premiere. So big up Kevin Hart, big up yourself, G. Yeah, do it. Big up all of the people that will take part tonight. On the bad, yes, on a bad artist. We need to depend some sort of show, bro. I swear. So I'm going to wait for the countdown and then jump in it. You know? So we do it live just like Uno. We're there. I was going to go live, but I said, no, I'm not going to go live. We're there. I could do it. Hold it up! The attache. Thugs not carry briefcase. Put big against your Uncle 45. Against your jeans. Just go over Gaza to the lane. Ask for Steve, but no. Alright, ready. Kevin Hart, pick up yourself. Warning, you must be at least 18 years old. SpongeBob, I must say Patrick Killer, you know. Tax officer G there. After 6 years, we can find the driver's license. Okay, alright, gun Bob.
On the streets, his guys are jogs. She want fuck with the IP sponge. But me fuck if he a cabby paddy. She sucky cocky sappy. The mom's wild and dance. Gun Baba Lord make she turn in that side. She did that move innocent like none. Me carry in the pineapple so you know the fuck sweet. She a ride and bounce. If girl a jokes me out overdose me.
Hold on, me can't pass this. I want the blood to go there. So you know. Pull up. Bumbleclad. Wait now. Bikini bottom.
Right on the streets, his guys are jogs. She want fuck with the IP sponge. But me fuck if he a cabby paddy. She sucky cocky sappy. The mom's wild and dance. Gun Baba Lord make she turn in that side. She did that move innocent like none. Me carry in the pineapple so you know the fuck sweet. She a ride and bounce. If girl a
Man, say me carry in the pineapple so you know say the fuck sweet. Pineapple sweet, fuck. You get it? Alright, let's go.
me carry in the pineapple so you know the fuck sweet. She a ride and bounce. If girl a jugs me a overdose. Me not stop walk girl till me comatose. Big up over east, big up over coast. Big up broke more rankings done the close.
In my chop.
And bounce. If girl a jugs me a overdose. Me not stop walk girl till me comatose. Big up over east, big up over coast. Big up broke more rankings done the close.
Alright. Roar now. War.
Jabby Beats exclusive.
War with that.
Jabby Beats exclusive.
War. Bumbleclad. Ready. Robbie.
Alright then. Plant in the car, get my formula. What the fuck you want me for? Me number one fun guy, come for your ass picture. Dog a lost and last digger. Poverty where you born in a pussy, get my cross in a.
Poverty where you born and you broke for your blood. Hey.
Yeah, hear me? One more.
Ready.
Plant in the car, get my formula. What the fuck you want me for? Me number one fun guy, come for your ass picture. Dog a lost and last digger. Poverty where you born in a pussy, get my cross in a. Step on the roach. Fully rich, you see me stepping on my porch. Yes, come bucket business slow. Your wife is a machine dog, that's a big joke.
Alright, your wife is a machine dog, that's a big joke. Me get it now. Not the last one, I made a mistake. Like I said, I don't watch his cartoon, never watch his cartoon. So me get a mistake and think say it was the potato. What is a puffer fish? Me get that right too. But yeah, me get it now. Man say your wife is a machine, brother. Remember say I fuck USB in a planting.
Yes, come bucket business slow. Your wife is a machine dog, that's a big joke. From the started, talking done. Planting underground. Would I take a girl, but me no fuck computer because me no blood clot dance. One him party boy plant in a copper shot, clot him another one brass him all Patrick Star him a pussy from man in the Uzi man draft him a jam in a the bar for the
No man, I can't Patrick name me just call a while ago. Krabby, I can't Patrick. You don't see a Patrick deal the rest of them. You want to be a next victim? Next victim? Alright.
One him party boy plant in a copper shot, clot him another one brass him all Patrick Star him a pussy from man in the Uzi man draft him a jam in a the bar for the bar me a rasking. Buck him of a poke more mal and box him brawling. God. Anyway, me see a pussy.
How are you anyway?
And him a chat the most, you know. Fucking roach, you know. Yeah. Yo, Krusty Camp. Squiddy, Gun Bob, brawling.
Alright, Bumbuckler, pull up my studio, my G. Yeah. Australia. Kevin. What do? Kevin, what a Bumbuckler do, dog? All this something done already, bro. Yo. A clash you want, bro. We want the... Kevin, bring back the clash, bro. Bring back the clash. Bring back the clash when the 2G them there in front of each other and them a clash, bro. And that we want, bro. That we need, dog. Part 5, you know, bro. War sweet, you know. Right now, it should be Mr. Krabs versus Patrick or somebody right now, you know, bro. I remember say Patrick don't write out everything, you know. So what you gonna for? What you gonna have track? What you gonna have track for? Yo, don't do that, bro. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that, bro. Let me go again. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that, bro. Yo, me not go again. Watch that. Yo, me confused. Bro, don't do that, bro. You chew me off, dog. I clash with you. Wait, Paulina, bro. We like the clash better. We don't want to see a single. We don't want a single, brother. We want clash. We want tone for tone on the spot. And that's the ability of us to keep it there so. You don't agree with me, dog? Me know something. Alright, see that? Yes. Kevin, big up yourself still. But keep it rich about it for them, bro. Don't go off a track, bro. Don't make it into something that is not. Don't make it into something that it wasn't before. Keep it rich about it. It's there, bro. Please. Please. Get me all excited for your Bumbuckler crab a chat one bag of shit. We're part of there. We're planting there. Plankton in here. But them call him planting. Where them there? Come on, bro. Not do that. Not do that.
Right now, I want $1 million US. I'm a son vice of the real artist progress. I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.